Okay, now let's open it. Evora, 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 Evora Botanic Body Oil, deep nourishment and moisture. Let's try it. It's moisturizing as well as nourishing. So, okay. Now I'm doing good. Now let's take a look. It's a very simple paper bag. Let me see inside. Oh, it's very well protected. It clip on, and you do need some strength to taking it off. That is good. Yeah, and very clean, very well. I think when you finish, you can peel it off and become a piece of a clean bottle you can use for other things. And so it is easy to peel off, not peel off, to open up and clip on, open up, clip on. So it's not too loose, not too tight, just perfect. And this is a piece of plastic sticker on it. When you finish using it, you can peel off the sticker. You like the brand or not, but I like a clean bottle. And this can be reused. You can put shampoo, you can put your body cream, other things. It's quite a decent bottle, don't you think so? So apply oil to damp skin after showering or bathing to help lock the moisture. I just cleaned up my body. So this is a 60. Oh, is that an old woman's sign? This is a 64 years old woman's skin. Have some water. So you have it a little bit damp, not completely wet like this. Now I get a piece of paper to clean it a little bit, just a piece of a kitchen towel. So there is some moisture on it. That's my skin. Can you see it? This is my skin. Now I will apply just oh, this I should keep it without it so that you can make a comparison. But anyway, that's oh, you do not feel that sticky wetness on your arm. It feels quite good. After some time, the oil disappears and it becomes something that is just the oil disappear. Oh, I like it. It's not that oily that you cannot take out the grease, and it feels that the oil, the grease, the moisturizer is completely absorbed by the skin. It feels good. It does not feel sticky. And that is it. With 1 week use, 2 weeks use, 1 month use, it will change. So this is day 1. Let's put a little bit more. there is a teeny tiny little bit of no, not much fragrance. I like it. When I shop something for some oil moisturizer, when it smells, however wonderful that smell is, I do not like. I do not like perfume. I do not like essence. I like it plain, plain, no smell. So that is not yet dried up. We keep it drying a little bit. Oh, this one just to have a little bit of it. It feels good. It feels good. Yeah, that is it. It is shining. Yeah, and you do not feel too grease. That's it. Yeah, we will see it in a couple of weeks. I will apply it every day and see how it works. Because I go to swim, so every day put in my swimming pool, the little bag. And the packaging is very simple, very functional. And this one itself is strong enough. It does not need really a big package, a gift box. I like it. Yeah, no gift box, no extra material. And this might be a recycle bag. It's not very heavy, not very, it does not use too much material. Maybe someone will say that it does not look expensive. I think it's good. It's taking care of our nature. It's better than using too much material, right? That's it. It is completely absorbed. This one is completely absorbed. This one is still working its way in. Oh my goodness, look at my hand. I remember when I was young, I went to see the doctor and to do some injection. I touched the hot pot, and the nurse is always happy to see me and to see these veins coming out. Maybe that's a little bit too much. Maybe because my hand is going down this way, but otherwise, I am one of the favored patient when they need to do some blood draw, some test, and they like my blood vein showing very well. Anyway, that's a little bit side talk. Thank you very, very much. It's a decent container. I love it. I love you. I really do. Do. Guru guru bye. Bye. Okay, I just came back from the swimming pool and put 3 squirters just like that. Feels good. And that's it. It does not feel greasy, and it feels all absorbed. That's it. And then like this.